First question, game?
Game.
Halos lahat ng housemates ay... Oh, ba't kinakabahan ka? Wala ba? Ay nakaduo mo na. Halos lahat ng housemates ay nakaduo mo na. Sino ang paborito mong naging kaduo? Both will answer pala.
Both will answer. Ako, lahat naman kayo, naging favorite ko.
Yeah.
Parang, iba't iba ako ng experiences with all of you. Pero, pinaka-memorable, syempre, I think ikaw.
Wow.
Kasi marami tayong napagdaanan together. I feel like our duo was the one that was able to overcome the most challenges and obstacles inside the house. So, yeah, yun yung pinaka-memorable for me. And for, alam naman natin both na kahit hindi wala tayong label as magka-duo, right from the very start, madami na tayong napagdaanan. So, di ba? Duo naman talaga tayo.
Yes.
From day one.
Yeah. I agree. Yun din yung sagot ko. Copy-paste.
So, aside from yung
The both of us.
Duo namin. Oh, wow.
Pinaka-memorable.
Ako si River. Kahit na wala kaming masyadong naging tasks together, isa siya sa nilook forward ko talaga maging kaduo.
I don't have a favorite, pero siguro most memorable na lang sasabihin ko. Pinaka-memorable para sa akin is my duo with Shuvi because that was the first time that I also got nominated dahil nga dun sa lapel. And during my whole season with Shuvi, we've also been through a lot. So, yeah, Shuv. Okay, ready?
Ready?
What is the most memorable task that you have done inside the house? Both will answer.
Oh. For me, aside from the Paris era, Paris task, lahat kasi ng housemates noon trabaho talaga. As in, equal lahat yung work. Tsaka nag-enjoy kami talaga lahat. Enjoy talaga namin yung task. Pero aside doon, na-enjoy ko rin yung mga dulong tasks na with my duo, Bianca. Lahat ng tasks na nagawa namin, super na-enjoy ko kasi nung time na yun, sobrang naging challenging na rin yung mga tasks. At na-test talaga yung duo namin. At ang dami namin natutunan. Higit sa lahat yun yung importante. So, napag-bondan kami together ni Bianca. So, yun yung favorite ko.
My most memorable task, yung secret room task talaga eh. Yun kasi talaga yung talagang we were famished in that room. Pero parang we were able to rise above all the hardships. Kami lahat-lahat together. Kahit nakamote at itlog lang kinakain namin. It was part talaga po yun ng core memory. Kami po lahat, all of the housemates.